Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Wii model and system version so you know which path to take. Once you have a compatible USB to Wii adapter or a homebrew-enabled SD card, power down the console and insert the adapter or SD. Make sure to reconnect power and TV cables securely. Poor connections cause detection issues. Once done, power the Wii back on and navigate to the controller settings. This initial setup ensures hardware is recognized before you configure input mapping. Next, you install the necessary driver or firmware through the Homebrew channel or the adapter's installer. This gives the Wii the language to talk to the USB controller. Plug the controller into the adapter, then run the mapping utility to assign A, B, Home, and other buttons. Make sure to calibrate analog sticks and test triggers in the controller menu. If a button is wrong, remap it now. These steps convert raw USB signals into recognizable Wii inputs, so take your time. To finish, save the controller profile and assign it to a player slot so games use the mapping automatically. Then test with a basic game or the Wii menu demo to confirm responsiveness. If inputs lag or buttons don't register, reboot the console, reseat the adapter, and retry mapping. Many issues clear on restart. One key troubleshooting tip. If pairing fails, switch USB ports or update adapter firmware. Compatibility quirks are often fixed by trying another port or the latest driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.